Hello, I'm Kozue. I'm going to be making Christmas nail art with flowers. I saw beautiful nails with nail foil on magnetic gel on Instagram. So I want to try that method, and I'm going to be stamping on it. Let's get started. Apply base coat on your natural nails. It's a good idea to paint base coat on nail tips too. I sometimes wear nail tips with gummy stickers. Color gel came off after wearing the same nail tips over and over again. I'm going to use magnetic gel. Turn it over and spin it to mix the particles well. I'm going to use Born Pretty Waterlight Cat Magnetic Gel number 5. I'm going to use a magnet one before curing it. It's been always difficult to tell the best way to move a magnet. It depends on the gel and the magnets. As for this gel, the particles come up even after I let them sink. Other magnetic gels react differently. I let the particles up to the surface. Foil gel from CanDo. You need to cure it for 3 minutes. Any foil glue gel will do. CanDo nail foil sheet. It looks like it's full of flowers. It's not that full of flowers actually. I need this sparseness today. Once you put it on, scratch it vertically. I found this silicone pen very useful. The particles glow in the background of the flowers. It looks very nice. I'm applying non-wipe top coat. I'm going to use this flower motif on a plate from Temu. I'm making sure I've got a stamper and scraper on the table. Stamping polish from Walmart in Hawaii. I'm going to apply non-wipe top coat and finish. It turned out like this. It looks chic still, poppin' cute. I'm going to be painting magnetic gel on the other nails. I'm going to use a wand before curing it. I'm going to cure them after using the magnet. I'm going to be applying foil gel to the awl. You've got to cure them for good 3 minutes. I'm going to put flowers around the cuticle area. I will erase this leaf. Nail polish remover. You can erase the patterns with remover. After this, I'm going to apply a non-wipe top coat and finish. I'm going to make a wreath with different kinds of beads and rhinestones. I have all the bead stuff I need on the table. Something is wrong with it. It's not as cute as I expected. Putting small bullion beads is a game changer. Foil glue I painted holds the beads and rhinestones temporarily. You can still adjust and move them. Born Pretty Nail Rhinestone Glue. I'm gonna glue the skirts of the rhinestones, inside and outside the wreath. I'm trying to spread it. Non-wipe top coat. It'd be difficult to paint here if you're working on your natural nail. I'd use a fine brush in that case. Another challenge, the center. I hope it levels as I leave it for 20 seconds or so before curing. I'm gonna put nail foil sheet on the whole middle fingernail. Maybe I should delete this one. I'm erasing it with nail polish remover. If you want the art to last long, clean the edges with remover like this. This way, the magnetic gel in the top coat will stick together well. I'm gonna apply non-wipe top coat. I'm wearing dark red on some of my nails, but it doesn't show much. I painted magnetic gel only once, though. The thumb. Pop and cute. I can totally stare at it forever. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.